Still you are.
Yes. The question is that do all the things in this universe, they all fall into prostration to Allah, as in the Surah Rahman it is mentioned, وَالنَّجْمِ وَالشَّجَرِ يَسْجُدَانِ.
That again is the same thing which I have just described in relation to angels. To prostrate before God means total submission. And everything He has created submits to Him totally. The moment of its creation, it becomes self-subservient to God. That is, the laws He has made to control the creation, these laws are never violated by anything He has created. This is their Sajadah. See? They revolve in circuits and make other movements, they show their properties, etc. only to the degree that Allah requires them to do so. You can't move an iota to the right or to the left of what the path is created, right or the left of the path which has been created by Allah for them to follow. This is another meaning of Sajadah, right? Or the same meaning more expressed.
That's all his questions. His questions are finished.
How much time?
15 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes?
I think 10 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, so I can leave for 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Right? Please continue. You don't